What's going on, guys? Today I want to make this quick video just discussing how you can sell covered calls on the Thinkorswim mobile app. This is a little bit different than their desktop application. It is pretty cool though. You know, there are a lot of customizations and advanced things you can still do with their mobile app. So definitely check it out if you haven't downloaded it yet. But let's go ahead and jump into it here. So I have a couple of different tickers. This is my paper trading account. I use this account just to, get familiar with their platform, learn how to do these different covered call positions, learn how to close them out, learn how to roll them, and just all that information. I definitely recommend that for new beginners. If you haven't, used these types of options trading before, definitely go open up a paper trading account, get used to getting in and out of the positions, understanding how you make money from them, understand how you lose money from them, and then once you have a good grasp on that, then definitely go and start trying it with some of your real money. But if you're not familiar with the strategy at all, definitely seek a financial advice, because I'm not a financial planner. I'm just doing this for educational purposes only and just to help my subscribers, just with what I can and my knowledge thus far as well, because I'm still new in the game and I'm learning as much as I can, and I just kind of wanted to document what I've learned with their mobile app so far. So in order to sell a covered call, you're going to have to own 100 shares, or you're going to have a long call option. So I'm just going to assume that you have 100 shares today, and let's just select IWM as the first one. So what you'll want to do is click on the ticker itself, click on details, and then you'll want to come to the options tab there. Then you'll want to come down to the next block of row there, and then these are all the different types of strategies that you could use. Pretty cool if you want to do a vertical. They actually have a setup, and then a bunch of other stuff here, guys. So really cool platform here. So what we want to do, we want to sell a single covered call. And then if you close these tabs here, these are all the expiration dates. IWM is a weekly option traded ETF. They are the Russell 2000 ETF that targets the Russell 2000 index. So it is a growth ETF. But definitely be sure to do your own research before ever selecting stocks or ETFs to do covered calls on. So let's just go ahead and select one 30 days out. Definitely whenever I sell covered calls, I would like to do more of a fundamental analysis. Look at the charts, see where it's been trading, see if there's any good resistant levels. Because do remember, whenever you're selling something 30 days out, a stock or ETF definitely could move a lot in 30 days. So do remember, the farther you do go out, yes, you'll get more premium, but you are inheriting more of a time risk with that. So it's currently at 220. Let's just go $20 out. The columns I currently have selected are the bid, the mark, the ask, the delta, probability out of the money, and the theta, but you can edit that. There's other columns you can show here. So it's really cool. You can customize it to the way you'd like. But let's just go ahead and select the 240 strike right there. So, oops, make sure you want to sell a call there. And then TD Ameritrade defaults contracts for this account to 10 contracts, but that's something you can change in your settings on their website. So, looks like the bid is at 80, the ask is at 83. So I would like to get filled somewhere between there, maybe the 81. So whenever you're ready to trade that, you'll just click the review at the top. Some other things I want to mention: you can submit these at custom times, so that's pretty cool. If it doesn't get filled in 30 minutes, then it's going to get canceled, and so forth. And there are some other advanced things you can create. I'm not going to go into this today, though. That's a little bit more advanced for this video. I'll just stick with the basic covered call. So whenever you're ready to sell this, click review. And you can see my max profit is $81. My max loss is infinite. Do understand, whenever you buy 100 shares, your max loss is if the shares go to 0. So only do this with a stock or an ETF that you're comfortable with holding and you don't think is going to go to 0. So I'm getting a credit of $81, and there's this 65 commission rate for that. So whenever you're ready to send it, click the paper trade button there. Order was sent, and it looks like it was filled. Yep, so it was filled at 81. $81 there. So I got a credit of $81. And then I just bought another 100 shares of Tesla. This is not investment advice. This is just for this tutorial today. So you click on show Tesla details. And then let's go for like, say, April 16th. And let's say we don't think Tesla is going to hit 790. So we'll click that bid price, bring this down to one contract, review the trade. We're getting a profit of 370, and then it's going to be 369 after the commission there. Whenever you're ready to send it, click send. And it looks like it's working there, and it got filled. So you can see it got filled for a price of 370. Obviously, there's more to do with covered calls and stuff, and as far as managing them, rolling them, this video was just to explain how you can do it on the Thinkorswim mobile app. There was a user that commented on one of my videos saying, "Hey, can you make a video discussing how you can do it on the Thinkorswim app?" So that was pretty much that. I just wanted to show a tutorial. Their app is really easy to use, and there's a lot of customization, like I mentioned before, that you can do here, which is really cool. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below if I didn't cover something that you're curious about, and be sure to hit that like button if you got any value from this. And as always, be sure to do your own research before investing into the stock market. Make sure you understand your risk. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.